you lost whatever it is, right? It is because it's a permanent buy down. In a 3-2-1 buy down,
there's a lot of, like negativity in social media.
Grabe.
Na sinasabing, huwag kayong bumili ng bahay. It's not a good time.
Yes.
Babagsak ang bahay.
Yes. Well, one of my rules, diba?
Yes.
Sinasabi ko sa kliyente mo yan lagi.
Yes.
Be comfortable with the numbers first before getting comfortable with the home.
Correct.
Numbers mo na pag-usapan natin.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Kasi maraming kliyente, gusto ko nang kumuha ng bahay. Ang gaganda ng bahay.
Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
And welcome to our episode 38 of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Hello
everyone.
Hi
hello
guys.
Alvin.
Hello.
Kumusta na?
Okay naman. Ayos naman. As you know, we've been seeing a lot of volatility sa rates natin.
Oo nga.
Grabe.
Let's talk about that. Actually, ang topic namin today is how to combat a high interest rate.
Of course.
Yes,
That's one of them.
okay.
Yeah, very
high mortgage interest rate.
Sobra.
Okay, so Alvin, I know you're the expert here.
Yes,
so tell
yes.
us about what's going on.
Well, I'll tell you what's been going on is that
Yes.
we've seen, I call it the hot inflation numbers, meaning the Feds actually had a meeting last week, and what happened is that they're not seeing the numbers for the inflation to go down. Okay.
Yeah. So it's the inflation is not going down.
Yeah, it's not going down. It is stable, pero it's not going down. Remember, guys, back on December, for Fed, sabi nila magkakat na sila ng first quarter, March ng rate ng first cut, di ba?
Oo nga,
Ng
pero
March.
na-move. Sabi
I-move
nila,
down nila
June
sa
na.
June. But it looks like sa June is
We don't know.
baka hindi rin mangyari.
Oo, mukhang madidelay. Kasi
Exactly,
nga,
because the inflation numbers didn't
yes.
come out right
And then
last week.
also, I don't know if you've seen, in the news, diba yung
Yes,
Iran, inaano
Iran.
nila ngayon ng Israel.
Israel. And this is very, very, kumbaga, seryoso to when it comes to the Middle East kasi we know naman na lahat ng mga our energy, our
Oil.
nang gagaling doon. So,
Oo nga. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Tataas na naman ang gasolina.
mataas na nga ngayon, tataas pa. Di ba?
So, paano nga? Bumili na kayo ng electric car.
Oo nga
Tesla.
And then, remember, energy comes
Yes.
with the ganun
Correct,
din, tataas
correct.
din
You're
ang
right.
natin. And what it is really, going back to the rates, is that supposedly, minove na ng Feds yung first cut nila sa June, pero it looks like the way the inflation numbers is coming in, baka ma-push pa to ng before siguro, I would say, the third quarter na ng
Okay,
ng this
or
year.
maybe fourth quarter.
Maybe fourth quarter.
Kasi hindi natin alam, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And this is really what's been going on for the past, I would say, for the past 2 months, no?
Okay.
We've been anticipating sana cut rate pero hindi mangyayari. So it looks like the rate is gonna, be, it's gonna be elevated for a while, right?
Okay.
But it doesn't mean na talagang wala nang pag-asang bumili ng bahay because the rate is
Oo
high.
nga. Okay. So, yun ang topic natin
Yes,
today.
oo.
Alvin,
Oo.
so, anong kailangan gawin ng mga tao na thinking of buying a home or upgrading or
Yes.
buying their first home
Yes.
or buying, whatever property
Yes.
with this high interest rate? Ano bang mga kailangan nila o pwede nilang gawin
Yeah.
in order na ma-afford nila?
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of ways naman to cure the high interest rate that we have right
So,
now.
one.
Right?
So, number one is...
Number one, there's you, as a buyer, you always have the options to buy the rate permanently. Pwede
Okay,
rin
so
yun,
that's
okay?
one. Buy the rate permanently.
Okay.
So either the buyer could pay it or minsan seller ang pwedeng magbigay, di ba?
Exacto.
So depende, kailangan nilang yung sino man yung realtor nyo, kailangan magaling mag-negotiate.
Very
Okay?
important fact in part right now to have a great realtor to know how to negotiate kasi
Oo nga.
this is huge talaga.
Yes,
You
and
want-
how to structure the offer.
makes sense. Oo, kasi
Oo,
really
na maging acceptable.
Exacto. So this is a big, kumbaga ba, it's really, really big part to have a great realtor to know how to negotiate, especially these days, right?
Okay, so it's called permanent rate buy down.
So pag
Okay.
sinabing permanent rate buy down, Elizabeth, is that you can actually buy down the rate. Let's say if you want to get, let's say right now we're in the mid 7. Let's say nasa 7.5
So,
na.
so sabihin na, right now it's April 20, April 14. So the average
7.5. Like,
7.5. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So baka umabot pa ng
Baka
8%.
umabot pa.
Seryoso.
I don't want to give you the bad news yet,
Okay, yeah.
but
Okay.
you know.
So sabihin natin 7.5. So permanent rate buy down
Yeah.
will be what?
Yeah, so depending on your FICO score, a big
Yes.
part of it, sabihin na natin ang permanent buy down is gonna cost you almost about 12,000 to 13,000. Let's say your rate will be somewhere around 6%, right? Or
Okay.
6.25%, right? So
Okay.
it's about a 1.5 or a point less, right?
Okay.
So right now, nandyan if assuming your FICO score is above 720, you're looking at about almost 12 to 13,000 cost.
Okay. So teka muna. So let's say, okay, so FICO score lang ang tinitingnan, hindi down payment.
Well, it's part of
buy
it
it
was on the adjustment, right?
Okay.
Pero most, of course, mainly talaga FICO score
Okay.
is the big driven.
So sabihin na natin, let's say nagbayad si buyer ng 13,000.
13,000.
Okay. So magkano bang ibababa ng monthly payment nila kung bababayan ng 1.5 to 1.25?
So let's talk
in
about
interest?
500,000 purchase price.
Okay, kunyari,
Okay?
for easy math.
For easy math lang
Okay.
tayo, right?
Mhm.
And then you have about 450 with 3.5% down payment. You have about 460, 470
Okay.
loan amount, right?
Mhm.
So let's say yung monthly payment mo is somewhere around 3,100.
Okay, so
Okay.
magkanong ibababa?
Normally, bababa siya ng almost $350.
$350.
Oh, remember, it's not a huge, pero 350 is 350.
Okay,
Nandyan
kasi
lang yan.
pang ano rin yun, pang car payment.
Totoo yun.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but here's the question.
Yes.
So let's say 350 yung binaba, right?
Oo.
13,000 yung binayad mo
Oo.
or binayad, I mean, let's say ikaw buyer
Correct.
binayad mo.
Yes.
So how long for you be able to recoup that 350? Kasi 350 is about $4,000 in a year.
Yes, correct.
So 4, 8, 12.
Oo.
So we're talking about 3 years.
Almost 3 years, di ba?
Kailangan para ma-recoup mo yung binayad mong 13,000, kailangan 3 years mong i-ano yung
Yeah.
loan na yun bago ka magpa-refinance.
Correct. And yun yung ibig kong sabihin, you do have that option, pero we're already anticipating. We know, and I hate to tell you guys,
Yes.
I know I've been talking about rates are gonna go down, pero it's just being pushed lang talaga, it's being pushed, ahead kesa na because of the inflation. But we know it's gonna come down. We know it's gonna come down. Feds already talk about it. Yun nga lang, we're not seeing the first cut, kung when, right? Anticipation natin by the end of the year, right? Pero what I'm saying with the permanent, yun ang problema natin, right? Because we know naman that you're gonna refinance within 2 years.
Yeah, oo,
Oh,
kasi ang
yeah.
average time is
Yeah.
about 2 to 3
2 to 3
years. Okay.
And also remember, guys, that if you have an MI or mortgage insurance, normally it takes about 2 years to 2.5% to gain that 20%. Diba?
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
The
I
way the
mean,
market is going right now.
if the rate is, yeah.
No?
Yeah, but remember, dahil with the high interest rate,
Yeah.
it's gonna definitely kind of slow down the market.
Correct.
Kasi maraming maa-outprice, maraming maa-out,
It's gonna slow down.
afford.
Yeah, it's gonna slow down. But also you have to understand, Elizabeth, and you know this, that we still have inventory short. Diba?
Correct.
There's still a lot of buyers out there. Right? One thing I can tell you, even though the rate is a little bit more high or is a little high, the equity does not go down. We're seeing
Correct.
equities keep going up.
Oo nga, yun nga ang weird.
Diba?
Kasi kahit mataas yung interest rate, nakuhold yung value. Kasi
Yes.
nga because of population and, housing demand,
Correct.
shortage dito sa
Correct.
California.
Correct.
Yes.
We may not see depreciation as big as 2 years ago,
Yes.
but it's sustaining.
steady.
Yeah, it's still steady. Hindi siya. We don't have underwater properties.
Correct. Oo.
Yun ang one thing.
Okay, so now we have the option 1. What is option number 2?
The option 2, which in my opinion is the best cure for a high interest rate that we have, is we have the 3-2-1 buy down.
Okay,
rate
so
program.
explain the 3-2-1 buy down.
Okay, so the
Yes.
3-2
or 2-1 buy
or
down.
2-1 buy
There's
down.
2 choices.
Yeah. So there's 3, 2, and 1. Actually, there's 3 choices.
Oh, 3 choices.
You can buy down the rate to 3-2-1 depending on how much seller is giving you as a credit.
Okay. So explain that in detail as if in lay terms na
Sure.
maiintindihan
Very
nila.
easy lang. So basically, unang-una, you have to understand that this 3-2-1 buy down program is a seller credit-driven program.
Okay, so
Okay.
seller ang magbabayad.
Magbabayad dito. Hindi kayo, hindi buyers, kundi ang seller. If they're
Okay.
willing to go ahead and give a credit.
Actually, this is a good program. Like for me, for my seller, instead of you reducing, let's say the house has been on the market
Correct.
for 60 days or 3 months
Yes.
na walang kumakagat, walang
Because
nag-offer.
because of the high interest rates,
Yes.
part of it. Yeah.
So I would rather advise my seller to give, credit to the buyer instead of reducing the price.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
Kasi at the end of the day, ang buyer, they don't really look at the purchase price. They look at their monthly payment.
That's right.
Can I
That's
afford to pay the mortgage?
That's
diba?
right. That's
okay,
right.
so explain it into detail.
So the 3-2-1 buy down again is a seller-driven credit, and this gives the buyer the ability to have a temporary buy down rate. So
temporary. The
temporary.
word is temporary.
Temporary, right?
Okay.
For example, if you pick the 3-2-1 buy down, your first year, if you pick the 3-2-1 or the 3, it will be 3% less than today's market.
Okay, sabihin natin ang interest rate is 7.5. Ano ang magiging interest rate the first
So
year?
if you're talking about 7.5% minus 3%, you'll be at 4.5.
The first year.
The first year.
Okay, what about the second year?
Can you imagine the money that you're going to be saving in the first year, right? Okay. The second year, you'll be 2% less.
Okay, so
you'll be at 5.25.
5.25. No, 5.5.
5.5. I'm sorry.
Okay.
And then the third year will be at 1% less.
Which is
So it'll be at 6.5.
okay.
Right?
Okay, 6.5.
Yeah, but most likely you're probably not even gonna see your actual mortgage payment at 7.5 kasi by third year or maybe by the second year pwede ka na magpa-refinance.
Okay. So the first year 4.5.
4.5.
Second year 5.5.
5.5.
Third year 6.5.
6.5.
And then the fourth year, yun na yung talagang prevailing rate.
You go back to the 7.5%.
Which is yung 7.5 from the fourth year to the 30th year.
Correct. Yes.
So parang ang ano pala nito, Alvin, parang sinasubsidize ng seller ang mortgage payment
Correct,
mo.
correct.
Tinutulungan kanila na, the first 3 years na ma-afford mo.
Correct. Yes.
Oh.
And guess what? Sabihin na natin yung 3-2-1 buy down is gonna cost the seller about $12,000 for the rate to get the 3-2-1 buy down.
I think about 16.
Okay, 16,000 if it's 3-2-1. If it's 2-1, mga 12,000. If
Okay,
it's 16,000. Now remember, in conventional, you're allowed to get a seller credit of 3% sa conventional loan, ha? Tandaan mo yan.
Okay, paano ngayon yan kung let's say 16,000 to 12,000 yung cost?
Kaya nga, so you have to understand, basta conventional, 3% lang ang lagi. Kaya nga, pwede kang bumaba ng 2-1 buy down eh.
I see.
Diba?
Okay,
Right? So you have that options because in conventional, the seller's only allowed to give 3%.
Maximum
3%. In FHA, the seller is allowed to give 6%.
up to 6%.
Up to 6%.
So, mas maganda pala FHA.
Mas
kasi
maganda yung
malaki.
FHA. Oo, depende.
Kaso, I know FHA, yung mortgage interest nila yung mortgage insurance
yung mortgage
is forever.
Yeah. So it all depends on the borrower's FICO score, di ba?
Oo nga.
You
Kasi
definitely-
maraming mga intricates eh.
Yes,
Kailangan, FICO score, magkano ba ang pera ng buyer,
Correct. Oo.
magkano ba yung monthly payment, ano bang
Correct.
importante sa kanila, monthly payment?
Yes, correct. Because remember, guys, they're pretty much the same program. What the difference is, of course, yung mortgage insurance. Kasi the conventional, Elizabeth, is based on your FICO score.
Conventional
when it comes
is
to
FICO
MI,
score
mortgage
driven.
insurance. Sa FHA, meron silang set na 0.55 or 0.75 depending on your loan amount. Nakaset na yan. It doesn't matter if your FICO score is 580 or 700 FICO score.
Okay. Basta you meet the minimum.
Nakaset lagi yung MI kasi it's a government loan.
Ano bang minimum credit score ng Federal Housing Authority, FHA?
580.
Oh, wow. Imagine 580
580
ang credit score mo.
Yes.
Makakabili ka na ng bahay.
And conventional is 620.
Mas mataas ang 620.
Mas mataas. Remember, kasi conventional is run by private investor, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes, okay.
Pero ang government, mas lenient
Mas
sila
lenient
magpautang.
Yeah, of course, because it's a government loan, it takes lower FICO scores.
Yes,
right?
actually yung government ang nagsisecure.
Nagsisecure ng loan. Yeah, so para sila yung pinaka-guinea-back ng investors natin, right? Now, let's go back to 3-2-1 buy down.
Okay.
Right? Depending on which program we have. Like, that's why you have the option to get 3, 2, or 1 because depending on how much the seller could give.
Correct.
Right?
Oo.
Now, what's good thing about the 3-2-1 buy down or 2-1 buy down or 1-1 buy down is that let's just say okay, 2-1 buy down lang nakuha lang natin, right?
Correct.
Okay, mga 12,000, 13,000, right?
Yes.
Now, remember, the money is being put aside para meron kayong monthly payment that is lower because your rate is, lower.
Oo nga, yun yung subsidy,
Yung subsidy.
nung
Now, if you
seller.
don't, let's say nagpa-refinance ka within a year and a half, bumaba ang rate.
Oo nga,
Right?
dahil for whatever reason,
Yeah.
yes.
Remember, whatever is left on that credit
Oo.
will be a principal reduction. Hindi sayang.
Okay, so ang 2-1 or 3-1 buy down, let's say ang binayaran ng seller 16,000.
1,000.
Tapos
Nagamit 8,000.
8,000.
Oo.
So ngayon nagpa-refinance ka, ano mangyayari dun sa balance na 8,000?
It'll be a principal reduction.
Ah,
Hindi siya sayang. Versus the permanent buy down. Remember, the permanent buy down, pag nag-refinance ka na, nagbayad ka ng 16,000 or 14,000, 13,000. Remember, the permanent buy down is a permanent buy down, right? So if you refinance a year or a year and a half, kung nagbayad ka ng 15, 16, 13,000, that's it. You lost whatever it is, right? It is because it's a permanent buy down. In a 3-2-1 buy down, you have a chance to gain that principal, whatever's left on not subsidized credit, to be, principal reduction. Kaya maganda siya.
So maganda, hindi masasayang.
Hindi siya masasayang, right?
Okay, so that's a really good option.
Yes, of course.
Actually, some of my clients are doing that kasi nga hindi sila na-payment shock.
Correct.
Diba?
And that's what it is, payment
Okay.
shock. That's what it is, really.
Kasi at the end of the day, tataas ang sweldo nila, mag-i-improve ang financial situation nila,
Correct.
diba? Okay. So, what about option 3?
Option 3, of course, it could be anything. It could be a price reduction, kung pwede, pero I don't recommend that, right? And also, at the same time, option 3 would be, Alvin, I have another client. Alvin, can I...
Hindi, wait a minute. So, price reduction. Let's say, i-reduce ng 10,000 and amortize in 30 years. Baka $2 lang yung difference.
Actually, baka mga 120, 150 lang ang makikita mong savings nila. Kung meron kang price reduction ng mga 10,000, wala pa nga siguro, $80 lang siguro.
$80
so,
No, wait a minute. So,
On a mortgage payment,
okay, wait.
the difference is...
Okay, $10,000.
Price reduction.
Right? Price reduction.
So, 470, 450.
I-amortize ng 30 years. That's probably less than $5.
Yeah, mga
$10.
mga 15, mga ganyan.
$15.
Yeah, $15. So, I do not recommend
isang
talaga.
McDonald's lang pala yun.
Yeah. So, Elizabeth, I keep telling this to my buyer, even my realtors, if we can get a credit rather than price reduction, let's utilize the credit instead for the buy down. Because this is really what's gonna help the mortgage payments
Alam
to go
mo,
down.
sa totoo lang, itong napapansin ko, sa resale versus brand new home.
Yes.
The reason why a lot of brand new homes are moving right now, kasi yung mga builder, they have deep pockets.
Yeah.
Panay bigay ng iba-ibang incentives
Yeah. But
para ma-afford
Correct.
ng buyer yung home, di ba?
keep in mind, we're now going to a season of a market buying now. Okay?
Correct, oo.
We are slowly seeing builders taking away the incentives slowly but surely. In
Yes.
fact, I'm seeing a lot of that already.
Yeah, I've seen that
Yes.
too. But remember, we don't know kasi ito na naman
tayo.
tumataas na naman ang interest rate. So,
Correct.
syempre, pag tumataas ang interest rate, nag-i-slow down ang sales.
That's right.
So, now, builder might go back and
Correct.
start giving incentive again.
Correct.
So, depende. Kasi,
Yeah.
I mean, they're all like sales-driven.
Yes.
So, most of the builders,
Yes,
they
of
do
course.
Wednesday meeting.
Yes.
O, ilan bang nabenta
Yeah,
dito sa
yeah.
community na to?
Yeah.
So, if they sold 12 homes,
Yes.
okay, so there's demand. Let's up the price on the next release, 5,000-10,000.
Yan naman ang ng laro ng builders, no?
Correct,
It's
oo.
all about removing that home to the inventory list.
Supply and
Supply and demand.
So, paano kung halimbawa isa lang ang benta that week? Okay, let's
for sure.
incentivize more.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes.
So, ganun
Yeah.
lang.
So,
I mean,
it all depends,
it's all
right?
about supply and demand.
Yeah. So, but I'm just saying, buyers, do not be afraid with this high interest rate. Alam naman natin talaga.
Hindi. Ganito, I mean, Alvin, so, there's a lot of, like, negativity in social media.
Grabe.
Na sinasabing, huwag kayong bumili ng bahay. It's
Yeah.
not a good time.
Yes.
Babagsak ang bahay.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Ganito, ganyan.
Uh-huh.
Don't listen to the
Yes.
noise. Kasi number one is, I highly recommend na mag-buyer consultation kayo.
Yes.
Kasi ang good realtor will be able to discuss this
Yes.
with you and find ways
Yes.
or options for you
Yeah.
to afford it. Kasi they will also partner up with a really
Yes.
good
Yes.
loan officer.
Mhm. There's a lot of options, right? And we know the statistic numbers. Yung mga social media would say people or friends na hindi naman talaga nasa profession, they don't know the numbers. They don't see that.
Hindi, kasi I mean,
Yeah.
it's all
They
about
hear it.
click and bait eh,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah, yeah.
Kasi
Correct.
what really sells?
Yeah.
Fear.
Yeah, totoo
Really?
yan.
Oh
Totoo
my
yan.
God, ganito, ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh, alam mo ba, ganito, ganyan.
Yes.
I mean,
Yeah.
we need to be a smart,
Yeah.
smart consumer or smart
Yeah.
buyer.
Yes. And we're here to educate then.
Correct,
To give you proper information, the
Yes,
truth,
oo.
really what's going on.
Yeah, and you know, hire or do a consultation
Yeah.
with a good realtor
Correct,
and a loan officer
Yes.
that could help you understand and navigate and negotiate
Yes, yes.
and tailor something na affordable and
Yeah.
feasible for your family.
What's your comfortable numbers looks like,
Correct.
diba? Now, the other thing, part of the third option is also if you have more down payment, right?
I mean, fourth option.
Yeah, for options,
Yeah.
if you have more down payment, kung meron kang, if you have 20% down payment, right, versus to 3.5% or 5%, of course, if you have 20% down payment, it'll eliminate the MI, the mortgage insurance, right?
Correct. Oh, so saan sila pwedeng kumuha ng down payment? Let's discuss
Well,
that.
we have 401ks, right? If you have properties you want to get equity, you can use that equity to work for you.
Okay, so one
buy
is
out.
they could, withdraw or loan on their 401k or 403b.
Sakto, yan.
Okay,
Yeah.
second is
You can get an equity from your home, right?
yeah, draw like a home equity line of credit.
Home equity
or-
line of credit.
Pero remember, they have to be careful kasi mataas ang interest
Mataas
rate.
din ang interest rate ngayon.
At saka magba-monthly din sila doon.
Correct. Yeah. So
Correct.
those are
So-
the numbers that we need to look at and review your debt to ratio income.
Okay.
But those are some of the sources that if you want your monthly payment to be a little bit more lower.
Yes.
Yeah, because remember, Elizabeth, there is equity.
Oh, and then also for third option, they could, get gift funds from their family members.
Yes, pwede
Or
ka
their
dito-
parents.
Correct. Yes. Again, we don't know you're comfortable of numbers, but really what really plays around with it is what you're purchasing ba talaga? What's your purchasing power? Because your purchasing price will be your monthly payment at the end of the day talaga.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct. Yeah. And then for me, I mean, if the parents actually have a means to
Yes.
give money for their children for a down payment,
Yeah.
I think it's a really good option.
Yes.
Kasi ako, imbis na yung, I mean, I have money sitting in the bank.
Yes.
Let's say 200,000.
Yeah.
That's just sitting and growing there, right?
Yeah.
I mean, kung maibibigay ko o mapapahiram ko sa anak ko yan o whatever reason, para makabili sila, maka-afford ng bahay, kaysa umuupa sila,
Yes.
natatapon yung pera,
Monthly. Walang equity
Walang
nag-grow.
equity. At least makaumpisa na sila, 'di ba?
Correct, oo.
Makaumpisa na silang makapagpundar. Kasi ang napapansin ko, yung generation ngayon,
Oo.
kapag hawak nila yung pera, mainit yung pera sa kanila eh. Travel dito,
Oo, mabilis,
gastos
mabilis.
dito, go
Pag
to
nasa
the
palad,
bar.
pag nasa palad,
Diba?
mabilis. Oo.
Pero kung, let's say ako, anak, ito,
Yeah.
bigay ko sa'yo, 100,000, 200,000 para makaumpisa ka na lang.
Oo.
Ikaw na lang mag-monthly.
Yes.
Para may bahay ka na.
Correct.
Makapagpundar at
Yeah.
makapag-umpisa ka na.
Yeah.
I think that's a really wise way
Yeah.
for, as a parent,
Yeah.
for us to do that to our children. Kasi kung hindi, talagang hirap silang
Totoo
makakabili.
yan, totoo. And I'm seeing a lot of parents helping out their children, their kids. Yung ibang parents kumukuha ng 401k, kumuha ng
Correct.
pera.
Oo.
Diba? Again, I mean, these are a lot of options, a lot of ways, diba?
Yes, correct.
And we just want to be able to, again, to share information with you that do not be, I understand the comfortable of numbers you need to be at, but do not be afraid. Okay?
Yes, or pwede silang mag-umpisa ng something maliit
Yeah,
lang.
starter home.
Starter
Ano,
home,
yeah,
di ba?
marami naman.
Kasi
oo.
kasi iniisip nila a lot of people forever home eh.
Yes.
I mean, Alvin, my first home is a
Yes.
condominium,
Tama,
a
me too.
one-bedroom condo. Kasi yun lang ang afford ko eh.
Yeah.
Pero in my mind, ang iniisip ko at that time, ano ba to?
Yeah.
Bakit ako bayad ng renta na
Correct.
sasayang?
Correct. And it's owning a home. It's the
Pride of ownership,
pride of
diba?
ownership. Talagang I don't wanna tell you really what it is to own a home because it's a start talaga.
Yeah, and then also think about it. I mean, hindi nasasayang yung pera mo na may natatax write-off ka pa. At saka pansamantala lang naman to kaysa umuupa ka.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
Kasi mas mabilis mag-equity ang bahay kaysa mag-ipon.
Tama. Totoo yan.
Diba?
Totoo yan.
So, I mean, we've done it, right?
Yes.
Nag-umpisa tayo sa maliit. Just start with the starter.
Everybody starts from somewhere, right?
Diba?
Yes. And again, do not be afraid with all the bad news that you're seeing. Oh, the high rate is there, and ano muna tayo, sideline muna tayo, because there's a lot of cure. There's a lot of options, to overcome the high interest rate.
Yes, and at the end of the day, with this, market, who you work with is important.
Very important.
Okay? Kasi hindi kailangan susugod ka sa ganitong obligasyon o responsibility.
Yes.
Kailangan yung realtor mo at loan officer talagang i-educate ka na naiintindihan mo kung anong papasukin mo.
Correct.
Okay?
Yes.
Kasi for us realtors, the worst thing that could happen is after I sell you a house and then you call me and say, Ate Elizabeth, ibebenta na namin yung bahay kasi hindi na namin afford.
Correct.
Masakit sa akin yun.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't like the idea na napahamak yung kliyente.
Yes.
Or pinakaya namin yung something na hindi nila kaya.
Yes.
So I mean, that's important kasi at the end of the day, we place these families to a home na long term na something na masaya sila, na it will change their lives, and at the same time, kaya nila yung payment.
Well, one of my rules, diba?
Yes.
Sinasabi ko sa kliyente mo yan lagi.
Yes.
Be comfortable with the numbers first before getting comfortable with the home.
Correct.
Numbers mo na pag-usapan natin.
Yes.
Right?
Oo.
Okay?
Oo.
Kasi maraming kliyente, gusto ko nang kumuha ng bahay. Ang gaganda ng bahay.
Hindi kasi ganito, Alvin.
Excited.
Hindi, minimiss nila yung step. Kasi yung unang step, buyer consultation muna. After the buyer consultation, pre-approve. Bago ka mag-shopping.
So ganito mangyayari. Di unang napili na, 800,000. Nakita na yung monthly payment. Naku, Alvin, masyado mataas to. Babaan mo kaya ng 750. Nataas pa. Babaan mo kaya ng 600. So, very important, guys, to have a buyer consultation talaga.
Correct. Oo.
Okay?
Kasi at least alam mo kung ano yung papasok.
Yes.
Parang bang bago ka pupunta sa gera, kailangan mag-strategize ka muna.
Strategy muna tayo.
Oo nga, para alam mo kung anong papasukin mo.
And that strategy is all about the numbers.
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
okay.
Okay.
So anyway, I hope you guys learned something today.
Yes.
And if you do have any questions or you want to do a free consultation, I'm always here and Alvin is here.
Free.
And I hope, we would be able to help you find a home or get you into a home.
Yes.
Or anyone that you know.
Yeah.
Okay, there you have it. Thank you so
guys.
much for tuning in at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Please follow and subscribe.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.